Trinamool Congress Meghalaya President and Nongthamai legislator Charles Pringrope has criticised the lack of strong leadership in parties like Congress and the UDP, attributing their recent electoral failures to ineffective leadership. He highlighted Congress' drastic decline under Vincent H. Pala, noting that the party has been reduced to a single seat in the 60-member assembly, an unprecedented setback in Meghalaya's political history. He also pointed out that regional parties like the VPP, despite their rising popularity, must prove their governance capabilities if they wish to sustain their momentum.
But the Congress, the UDP, they need strong leadership. And I can speak for the Congress because I was a congressman for 30 years. So there is no threat. But you cannot be complacent. And so, because Congress has a base, people love the Congress. No. People love the leaders of the Congress who are good and honest and who can bring a change, then they love the Congress.
The